Hi cuties, I'm call me Black Rainbow and you can call me Black Rainbow. Do you have a problem like this when you are in the class or at the office? You feel you are bored but there is no watercolor, no ink, no digital screen to that you draw like an artist. Can you draw? Of course you can, just with a pen and a paper. You can draw like that. But how to do it? Of course, in this video, I will answer you how can you draw with some skills. So you have to finish this video so that you can learn the skill. Because first part, I will tell you what the principle to draw just with a pen and a paper. And the second part, I will demonstrate how I draw just with a pen and a paper. So just continue this video with me and you will learn the skills. If it is the first time you watch my video, of course I have to tell you, my channel is talking about the anime drawing and drawing tutorial. So if you are the person like to draw animation or you like to draw anime drawing, of course you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell so that you can get a reminder when my video release. And then the skills, the techniques, the knowledge and conception of drawing. Okay, so let's just start to draw with a pen and a piece of paper.
Okay, now before I explain how to draw a picture of three-dimensionality, let me introduce three kinds of drawing way that you just need a pen and a piece of paper. The first is outline. Usually figure is the important part of illustration outline because it is convenient and we have a certain contour basic to color. It will not add too much details in outline generally because after people draw all the outline of the things, they would do more details of light and shadow on their works. The second is comic draft. Before comic draft is in the shadow of dot. The most commonly used expression is similar to outline, but comic draft would have more details, such as the use of points to express the block of the dark side of the shadow, and the technique of showing the object faces and adds the three-dimensionality. And the last, realistic sketch. I think everyone knows what's the realistic sketch. Draw a picture is as a photo, the traditional use of pencil and charcoal. It can show the shape and light of people and object, but usually it is the most complicated strokes and more details in realistic sketch. Okay, so now you already know those kind of drawings. So let me demonstrate how to use those skills to draw an illustration with a pen and a piece of paper. Okay, today I want to draw an illustration with hand painted. And I want to demonstrate how I draw an illustration with the techniques from outline, comic draft, or realistic sketch. And of course, we already know we can use point, line, and surface to draw an illustration, right? But even you know those principles, but you still don't know how to do it. So don't worry, just follow me. And today the character is Deku. He comes from the animation is My Hero Academia. I love this animation so much. If you haven't watched this, you have to watch this. Okay, we continue talk about how to draw this. Now you see I draw the draft with mechanical pencil. Usually I draw an illustration. I will draw the figure draft before I draw a character. It will make me draw less mistakes when I finish it. So before you want to draw anything, it is better you draw the draft first so that it would be easier to you to paint it. And in here, I don't mean to draw it to be the same with animation. People draw the fan arts can be with their style. You don't need to draw like a comic or like this animation. You just draw the character with your style, it's okay. So take it easy, don't be nervous to draw anything the same. Just draw something you feel it is good and express what you want to present. Okay, now we finish the draft and we can try to finish it with pen. So you can see I use the black pen to draw the outline first. And the pen is with ink, so it is better don't put your pen on the paper too much time. If like that, you will see, oh my god, it is too dark. So you just need to draw the line lightly. Okay, we finished the basic outline of Deku. Now we can add little point or dot on the lines, so it would look like shadow between hair and face, or rough the line between face and neck. This implies that these places are shaded. And you can see this technique is come from outline of illustration. And after we draw it, now we can draw the face. We draw the brow and of course the eyes and the nose and mouth. After we finish it, we can erase the draft to make it clean, so that we can make more detail on it. First, I draw a few arrows to show the direction of the light. After we know the direction of light, we will know how to add shadow on it, just like under hair, inside his mouth, under nose, neck, or some part of clothes. And sometimes you can see I not only use the hatching to draw the shadow, I also use dot or point to draw the shadow. So that is the kind of technique comes from comic draft. And after we draw the shadows, of course we can draw the hair. And in here I want to use the surface to draw the hair, just like the way come from animation. And we just color it with black. And after we finish the hair, we can draw the eyes. But because our eyes are covered with eyelash, I also add a little shadow here. Okay, so now we almost finish it after I add little shadow under hair. Okay, so now I believe you can do it. So, your turn.
Congratulations! Now you already know how to draw a beautiful painting with a pen and a piece of paper, right? Actually, you just need to remember some of principles and combine those skills and practice all the time. You will find a way to draw a beautiful painting for you and improve your drawing skills, especially for the beginners who want to learn to draw. So if you have friends who want to learn how to draw but they don't know how to do it, of course you have to share this video with them so that they can improve their drawing skills. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And some of cuties just tell me they don't know how to draw beautiful outline because their outline just look like a messy hair. It makes the painting dirty and ugly. So my next video will tell you how to draw beautiful outline. If you don't want to miss this video, please subscribe my channel and open the bell so that my new video release, you will get a reminder. And if you have any question, please just comment below. Maybe one day I will make a video to reply your good question. In the end, let me bring a little color to your life, and I hope you can bring your color to others' life.